My name is Richard Wright, and I'm the TRIO Student Support Service Academic Disability Counselor, and I would like to talk with you about test-taking strategies today. So today, what I would like to talk about with you are three areas: what to do before the test, what to do during the test, and what to do after the test. So let us begin with what to do before the test. So before the test, it's important to manage your review time. It's also important for you to create review tools such as checklists, mind map summaries, and flashcards. It's also important for you to plan a strategy. Some instructors hand out study guides before the test. And it's also important to engage in the beginning with test-taking behaviors, which are proactive behaviors. So for instance, before the test, if your teacher gave you a study guide, fill the study guide out. What to do during the test? In general, it's best to answer the easiest and the shortest questions first. What's also important is to do daily reviews, and your daily reviews can be short pre or post-class reviews. Concentrate on the material just learned. So that would be, after the class, or you can concentrate on material that involves memorization. And then also you can do short daily reviews throughout the day. That will be helpful. Also, you can do weekly reviews, and weekly reviews tend to be longer than daily reviews. They're about an hour a subject. They are review periods. These review periods are more structured than the short daily reviews. Review the assigned reading and lecture notes. Then you have what are known as major reviews. Major reviews usually are conducted a week before finals or other exams. These are longer review periods with 10 to 5 hours with breaks, and then study the most difficult subjects when you are the most alert, and create a system of rewards for time spent reviewing. Study checklist will also be helpful. Make a list for each subject. List reading assignments by chapters or page numbers. Write down various problems that you'll need to solve. A study checklist is not a review sheet, but a kind of to-do list. What also will help you is to do mind maps summary sheets. You might start by creating a mind map totally from memory. Go as far as you can using recall. Go over your notes in your text and fill in the rest of the map. Create the mind map summary by using your notes, picking out keywords. Then, without looking at your notes, create the mind map. Also, flashcards can be helpful. Use 3x5 flashcards. They are pretty much portable test questions. Use your flashcards for formulas, definitions, theories, keywords, and dates. Create flashcards regularly as the term progresses. You can even buy a card file to keep your flashcards arranged by subject. You can also always carry a pack of flashcards with you to review. Also, you can do a dry run, which means practice the task that you will have to do on the test before the test. Basically, it's a mock test. You can also ask your instructors what to expect. What topics will be emphasized? What kind of questions will the test contain? Also, if it's possible, you can get old copies of exams. Ask for previous exam copies from the instructor or other students. As you begin, prepare yourself for the test by arriving early. That gives you time to relax. Do not ask others the question, how much did you study for the test? Pay close attention to verbal directions given as the test is handed out. Scan the whole test immediately. Evaluate the importance of each section. Now I'd like to talk about multiple choice questions. Do the questions have more than one answer? Answer each question in your head before looking at answers. Or you can read the answers to multiple choice questions before you answer. I would like to talk about true-false questions. Answer true-false questions quickly because they are low in points. Read carefully. Look for qualifiers like all, must, sometimes, never, or rarely. Absolute qualifiers such as always or never generally indicate a false statement. I would also like to talk about machine-graded tests. The answer you mark should correspond to the question you answer. Check the test booklet against the answer sheet when switching sections. Watch for stray marks. They can look like answers. Now I would like to talk about open book tests. When studying for the test, write down any formulas you will need on a separate sheet of paper. Place tabs on important pages of the book. If you use notes, number them and write a table of contents for them. Prepare thoroughly for open book test. Now I would like to talk about short answer or fill in the blank. Concentrate on keywords and facts. Be brief, as this workshop is going to be. Essay questions. Find out what the question is asking precisely. Before you write, make a quick outline. When you write, get to the point. Forget introductions. Include part of the question in your answer. When you expand your answer with supporting ideas and facts, start out with the most solid points first. The end. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Please feel free to stop by the Trio office suites and visit with us. Bye-bye.